This video introduces how to set up Osmo Mobile 7 for first-time use. Open the box and take out the gimbal and its accessories. Charge the gimbal using the power cable until the battery level indicator turns off. Unfold the gimbal to power on. Pull out the built-in tripod and place the gimbal on stable, level surfaces in windless environments. In other conditions, it is recommended to attach DJI OM grip tripod to the bottom of the gimbal. Attach the magnetic phone clamp to the center of the phone. The camera mark should point towards the camera of the phone. Align the marks on the clamp and the gimbal before attaching the phone to the gimbal. A steady gimbal mode light indicates that the gimbal is stabilizing the phone. You can also push back the tripod and grip the handle to start shooting. Scan the QR code on the screen to download the DJI Mimo app. Launch the app and connect to the gimbal via Bluetooth. A prompt will appear when new firmware is available. Tap the prompt and follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware. Ensure that the battery level indicator shows solid green before the update. Do not exit DJI Mimo during the update. If you have purchased or plan to purchase DJI Care services, you need to complete the purchase and binding within 30 days of activation. iOS users can enable Quick Launch for faster access. After attaching your phone to the gimbal, tap the prompt to launch DJI Mimo and enter the camera view. Tap the record button to capture photos or videos. Tap the playback icon to view the footage you captured. Tap the star icon to access shot guides. This feature analyzes the current scenario and recommends a shot sequence along with the tutorial. Move the joystick to tilt and pan the mobile phone. Press the M button once to switch between gimbal modes. Press the M button 3 times to enter standby mode and reduce battery usage. The gimbal mode indicator will pulse in this mode. Press any button to exit. Press the shutter record button to take a photo or start/stop recording. Press and hold the shutter record button for burst shooting in photo mode. Press the switch button once to switch between the front and rear cameras. Press the switch button twice to switch between landscape and portrait modes. Press the switch button 3 times to switch between photo and video modes. Press the trigger once to disable active track. Press the trigger twice to recenter the gimbal. Press the trigger 3 times to rotate the phone 180 degrees in the horizontal plane. Press the trigger once and then press and hold to adjust the follow speed to fast mode. Release to exit. Press and hold the M button. The gimbal powers off and automatically rotates to the folding position. Fold the gimbal. Remove the phone and phone clamp together. For the next use, attach them as a whole and unfold the gimbal to start shooting. Fold the tripod and tap it. Mind your hands when pushing it back.